Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this bomb install with this hair that was sent to me by Asteria Hair. So if you guys want to see how I got this look on this curly unit, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it.
Hey, I don't cop things for resale, don't do iCloud, don't do email. Feds wanna top up, man, and wild, man, like Chubbs did detail. Back when Ricky was doing up Teasdale, I was doing dinner with Teasy. I didn't trust no one, so I got line, niggas got too breezy. Nico never move Nike, sweatsuit Nike, sweatsuit DG. If man get beaky, ring, call up Gigi, do him up neatly. Used to look up to a man from certain ends with tune on repeat. Thought he was a bad boy then till man got pinched and man went PC. Man went PC just like Dell and Windows, some man Bendos. Before I was ever around Kendos, I was in Enzo, dreaming up Enzos. The woman I do end up with has to be a pack out just like Munchie. Can't have no pretentious thing when I know this road gets bumpy. Word to the broski J, he got different names in different countries. 3 whaps in a whip and we beat that case where man live way too comfy. I don't do well with people making disses and making threats. Warrior man got flown like private jets for way less. I know you try to get one down on us, ever since then it's been stress. Cause you know the reps, them owe you one and we always pay them debts. Wassa, just like the Crody press, I don't keep no pasta. Link with Skull and cousin Jamie and y'all, we dep on Gaza. Pasha, Sasha, pissed I was way too young at the time for slashings. You niggas spend too much time on captions, not enough time on action. Pick one man with slaps that's rapping, I bet he don't want no clashes. The LV pouch on chest is just for fashion, niggas just acting. Are you dumb and stupid? The wheels on the roses, chromas, headshot domas. Just checked in at a hotel floor that we on, got potent aromas. OVO XO link up, man, them drink up, me and the drillers. Hawking sticks and cash and Baka, Gucci, P and Gilla. And the boy that sound like he sang on Thriller, you know that's been my nigga. Yeah, we just had to fix things, family 16s, we can't split up. As for the rest of the game, I'll do man 30, man, I get 2 time. To me, that's just our side, I don't really care who rides on whose side. Bring 10 shots to the poolside, never seen none of these grown men outside. 4301, won't spare no one, niggas gotta know about Southside. Stepping out of line, get outlined, and you know I'm tied up stateside. Bring your man down when it takes sides, trying to get saved by the belt like Bayside. Prince, I carry that last name, that shit stays on me like brand names. Jazz just lined up brand new hantings, in nice guy on my team. Everyone I know has code names, anyone I'm beefing with is a no name. Niggas can't even win home games, they just gotta fall in line like Soul Train.
Well, it's raining, y'all, and my TV is not playing, so I guess I'm gonna just chat with y'all for a little bit. So what's going on? How's the new year treating y'all? How are you feeling? What's the vibe? This thing's hot. I wanted to say something. I kind of changed up the way I do my edges. Now I pull them out and spray my holding spray onto the lace after I already pull out my edges, and then I lay it down. I used to spray the perimeter of my hairline with like holding spray. I would spray my perimeter, then I would tie it down, then I would go back and take out my edges, and it just makes them look crusty and just disgusting. So I stopped doing that, and lately I've been using my ORS Olive Wig Grip Gel to do my edges because I gave my Godspeed glue to my best friend, so I don't have it anymore. And I've been using my Nairobi setting mousse, so that's what I'm gonna do. After I go in and mold them with those two products, I'm gonna be using my Sebastian Shaper Spray on top just to lay them down even further, and then I'm gonna seal it all in with my blow dryer. So yes, that's how I do my edges now. And yeah guys, I'm gonna shut up and just go ahead and get into it with y'all.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. All the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know
They fighting.
What is the tea? The girls are fighting.
Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I slow down. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He more nice him. I never listen though. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Damn baby, my mind's blown.
All right, you guys, so we are all installed. We have our edges done. Don't ever play. I mean, let's talk about the lace. Like,
let's talk about it.
what? It's a little over bleached right there, but we're not gonna talk about it because I didn't feel like fixing it. But so yes, now that that's done, we can move on to just taming the hair a little bit. I want to, let me show you guys what the hair looks like right now. This is what the hair is looking like. So I do want to define it and just give it that pop. So I'm going to be going in with my bottle of water. I have a little bit of leave-in conditioner in here, but like really not that much. We're going to be going in with my Kinky Curly, my Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna be using my Kinky Curly curling custard on top of it, and I'll probably go in with a little bit of my BioSilk oil on top of it just to seal in all the moisture and stuff. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna section out the hair, wet it down, detangle it, put the products in, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. right, you guys, we have the finished look here. These are the edges, the melt. Everything is looking pretty bomb if you ask me. I love the curl pattern of this hair. I haven't had some curly hair in a long time, so it's just like, we're back to the basics. I used to wear curly hair all the time in high school. I used to get those crochets. I was a crochet queen and I had crochets all throughout high school. So this is giving me those type of vibes. Huh? Oh, you said what? Oh, okay. All right. So that's how I'm feeling. I feel like I need to hot comb my hair back some more just so that, because I want my edges to show. Like, I want the girls to see what's going on. Maybe I'll put some mousse right here and mold it how I want, but I don't know. It's not dry yet, so I'll have to wait and see what it's giving when it's dry. But the curl pattern is really, really beautiful. Let me stand up so you guys can see. The curl pattern is really, really pretty and bouncy. I'm pretty sure this is a 24-inch wig, and I'll put the specs on this hair on the screen so you guys can know what all is going on with it. But Asteria Hair, I mean, come on, y'all already know this is my favorite hair company. I've ordered so much hair from them over the years and I've always been satisfied with my hair from Asteria. So it has the Rob stamp of approval. Like, I love Asteria Hair, and so they did not disappoint, because they never do, for me at least. If they disappointed you, girl, I don't know, but they never disappointed me. I think this hair came out super cute. If you guys want to shop with Asteria Hair, my coupon code will be up on the screen. And yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. Let me know what it's giving you, and I will see you guys in the next one.